Hello guys, welcome back from Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we are in a place called Maida, Vale, and we are in central London. So it was sunny earlier today, but then overcast came. So since my drone is fully charged, I just decided to just do a drone flight in this cloudy weather. I mean, it would have been better during the sunshine, but it's not sunshine right now. Alright, 360 photos complete. Let's just go down. Let's explore this area down here. So usually nearby here there's a no-fly zone, but this area, we're close to no-fly zone, but we're just outside of it, so we can fly here without any issues. This is the only part of this is the really good part of the city where I can get a good shot. So this is a good place to explore. I'll probably do another drone flight here when there's sunshine. Right now it's cloudy, as you can see. So there's a lot of buildings here as well. A lot of construction happening. Let's just orbit around this building. And look, there's a building over here. Really nice building. We're gonna orbit that as well. Let's go close to that. Look at that, that's amazing. And then we've got a building over here, we've got a crane nearby. Okay, let's get a close shot of the crane. Look at that. Let's get a close shot of this building as well. I want to see what this thing at the top is. Let's see how close we can get to it. That is actually insane. Alright, let's go back up now. We're gonna go around the area. So we've got many places around there. Then we'll come back, we'll get a parallax shot. Alright, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go down here. We'll go to the other side so we can get the shot of the other side of Maida Vale. Stay around there. And we'll come back. What we can do now, we can go to the other side. So, we'll go to the other side of Maida Vale, we'll go here, explore what's down there. I mean, there's not much to shoot around there. Let's see when the no-fly zone starts. We'll go down here just to make sure we stay within bounds. Explore the area down here. Okay, no-fly zone starts here. So, past here, this is the furthest we can go. So what we'll do now, we'll just get a static shot here. Let's get a tour of the area down here. You can go a little bit down here as well. See, then I understand the no-fly zone, but like, even though I got a little bit towards the edge, it still goes back in the zone. So I'm gonna turn around now. We're just gonna come back. This is not much shots we can get shots off here. So Maida Vale station is right over here. See that blue thing in the middle? That's the station. Let's get a static shot of that for a bit. The footage is actually alright when it's cloudy. Like it's not that bad. Obviously, it's better when it's sunny, but when it's cloudy, it's not really that bad. It doesn't like make the drone flight terrible. So let's get a shot of this rooftop on top of this building. See, it's supposed to be a summer's day and look at the weather. And we got the other building, which is right over here. And then we've got the other building, which is right over here. They all look the same, to be honest. It's got some stuff on top of it, as you can see. Alright, let's turn back now. We're at 39% now. We're gonna land the drone in a second. Because there's not much to get shots here. There's a tennis courts over here. And I think it's starting to rain. I don't want it to rain on my drone. It's only a few drops, so it ain't that bad. Actually, it's not really raining. Get a static shot of the tennis fields and then we'll just carry on going down. Explore this area down here. Yeah, it's not really raining, it's fine, but still, I think I'm gonna land a drone because there's not much to get shots here when it's cloudy. I'd rather when it's sunny. Look at that, that's a good shot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Watch that little guy, mate. I know. Excuse me, that one. Can you go to your mum?
But I'm gonna go to the other side so we can go straight down and get a static shot in this area. What's below us? Let's see. Not much to see. Look at that, you can see the sun going through the clouds. That is insane. I need to take a photo of that. That's a movie-worthy photo. I need to show you the sunset as we land. Wait, we'll quickly show you the sunset. Look at that. Sun's going through the clouds, even though it was cloudy. I mean, it was sunny earlier. Right now it's cloudy. Usually I would get the action camera footage of me landing it, which I did in my last flight, when I flew in multi-flats. Thank you for watching my drone flight. Really hope that you enjoyed. I'll definitely do another flight here when it's sunny. So right now it's cloudy, but I can do another sunny drone flight here. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.